Okay, 9.7 for 25 through 30. They're asking about the probability for the experiment of tossing a six-sided die twice. Okay, and then the first scenario they give you is the sum of the two dice is 6. I would like to consider each dice separately, but in this scenario, because I'm doing a sum, it's going to be easier for me to consider the two scenarios together. Okay, so for the probability, the sum is 6. What are the total possibilities if I do two dice? Okay, I have the first dice. The total ways I could roll the dice is 6 because it's six-sided. For the second dice, there's also 6 sides. So 6 times 6 is my denominator, which is 36. Okay, for the numerator, there's not an easy way to do it. I just have to think of how many ways can the sum be 6 if I have two dice. So maybe I have 1 and 5. What else? 2, 4. 4 and 2 add up to 6. I could also do 5 and 1. 3 and 3. I think that's all of them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 ways for the two dice to add up to 6, which is why the probability is 5 over 36. Okay, and then let me look at, these are all very similar. Let me look at 20, this isn't 29, this is 30. Let me look at 30. It says the sum is odd or prime, and I'm still using two dice. Because I'm looking at the sum again, I can't really consider each one individually, or not easily. So my denominator is still 36, because 6 times 6 is the different ways I could roll two dice. I want the sum to be odd or prime. And again, I'm going to have to just kind of list out the possibilities. Okay, so let's see. What's odd or prime? 2 is odd. No, 2 is prime. So I could do 1 and 1. I want or odd. 3, if it adds up to 3. Not 4. Yes, 5. Not 6. 6 is not odd or prime. What about 7 is odd and prime? Is that all this? Is that all the 7s? Okay, how about 8? Nope, 8's not odd or prime. 9 is odd. $10, no. 11 is odd and prime. 12, neither odd nor prime. So I think I got them all. Let me count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 out of 36. And does that simplify? No. So there's no easy way to do this. It's just based on inspection.